Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let me tell you about an unfortunate situation I encountered in the garden when I returned yesterday. So I'm not staying here full time, and yesterday when I returned after a week to the garden, I noticed that something's missing. From the corner of my eye, I saw the pond. There was almost no water in it. I noticed a little hole in one side of the pond. The other side has water and it's all good, but this side had almost no water. So, gardening is not only flowers and butterflies and bees. Sometimes there are setbacks, there is not an exponential growth, but it's fine. This way I at least have the opportunity to show you guys how to patch a pond liner. So I have this bottle of glue. I use this to patch the tires of my bike, and I figured it should be fine for the pond liner. It's almost the same material, and it says it on the bottle that you can glue leather with it, plastic, and lots of other materials, so it should be fine. It also says that the surfaces need to be perfectly clean before applying the glue, and after that I need to apply pressure on it for 24 hours. Okay, so this is the hole. I need to clean it so it's perfectly clean. Now we let it dry, and after that we can apply the glue. Okay, so I had a little bit of pond liner left over, and I will cut a patch from this one. And we'll need to clean this also, so it is perfectly clean. So here's the patch. There's the hole. So this is the glue, and it is a bit liquid. Let me close the glue. And apply the patch. Okay, now I need to apply pressure on it. Okay, so I put this over the patch, and now we wait 24 hours. Okay, so it is the next day. Let's see. Let's remove this. And this is the patch. I think it's nicely done. It should be fine. So I can now add the water. Let's see what happens. So it is the next morning, and the water is still holding nicely. So mission completed successfully, let's say. If you have any questions regarding this, make sure to leave a comment. See you in the next one. Bye!